Hooray! Greetings! I have been streaming the last half hour, but Twitch seems to think otherwise. What is all this? You could choose a class? Huh. I guess we're choosing submarine guns. Submachine guns. Am I dyslexic? Oh, number 2? Is that PhD? I think we should just go for it. And Dead Ops Arcade. You already know Lex is playing that. Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. I'm going in with an MP5. This is what it's like when you get too drunk at the bar and you start picking fights. It's like, get over here. Alright, let's see if we could do the bunny hop of Black Ops 3. Oh, that's weird. Oh, no. No, I don't think we can. Alright, let's throw a grenade. Do we have a grenade? Now we have a grenade.
Throwing some things.
Oh, it's a sticky. Haha. Nerds. What? Why did he just get the name Zombie? Oh, I do not mind this at all. Oh, that's a new voice. Time to fist some zombies. Oh, that did not sound right. Look at this art. So, I was planning on coming into this absolutely blind, but to my surprise this morning, I did not realize that every YouTuber and their grandmother would already be playing the game on stream. My temptations got a little bit of the best of me. The only thing I've seen is the starting room, so I don't want to use our fists, so... Oh! It is dark in here, and there's...
I lay claim to this angle.
Have to do. Okay. Whew. Look at her. Plant explosives 1000. Oh. Drink to run fast. That's one way to put it. Oh. If I remember from the trailer, if this is the plane, shouldn't... Yes. They play after you buy it? I can cry. When you need to feel big and strong, reach for juggernaut. I still have yet to figure out what those green things are. Oh, here's one. And I just grab it. Like, what was that? Yo, the timer is sick. Alright, let's try to figure out where we gotta go. Ooh. Nope, we need the power first. Maybe we go this way. Whoa. Oh, this is the bottom floor! Alright, we have to turn on the power there as well? Where the freak are we going, guys? These zombies are giving me bad vibes. Especially you, mister. Oh, this is a way to go. Whoa, what is down here? This is where we came from. You idiot. Like, are we on the frickin' roof? Alright, does this lead to just here? So, we're pretty much back to where we started. Great. Alright, we want to go to the facility, right? So if I'm trying to go that way... Oh, is the facility... Am I an idiot? Oh. Oh! I'm such an idiot. Oh, that's blue. Oh, it's the AK-7 for you. For me? Where? Why did it just get so foggy? Definitely huge error on my part. Down here in the middle of a round. Alright, definitely seems like it. Woo! No. No. Alright. Okay. Honest. Power? Power! I can see now. That's a positive. What are you? Enter the dark ether? Here we go. Holy. Oh, I don't. Are we entering? Did I? Okay. Where am I going? What is the dark ether? Oh, I regret my decisions. Oh, I regret my decisions. Where the hell am I? Oh, I regret my decisions. Alright, let's see what the surface is like. Oh, this is the night. Oh, this is sick. Ether tunnel. What the hell are you? When? I feel like I'm on acid. What in the name? And am I back? And I'm back. What is this? Oh. I've had too many horrible experiences with these types of things. And we live.
Victor 1 is nearby, strike team. Exfil window is short, so take it now if you're ready.
Take what? Take what when? The fact that the weather changes is sick. I'm surprised Quick Revive isn't in the spawn room. Unless it doesn't do what it used to. Oh, drops. Oh. Ah.
A radioactive specimen is moving towards you. Oh,
I'm sorry?
its radiation levels are through the roof. That thing's practically a walking atom bomb.
Okay. Okay. Goodbye. Hello.
Confirm.
A bullet sponge, alright. Be helpful. Okay, he just came at me. Die. Just die.
It seems the creature has the ability to separate in half, both parts still functioning, like a planarian worm. If a worm had legs.
What?
And was all nuclear.
What? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's a lot of damage. Oh my gosh, that scared the hell out of me. Okay. Nice of you to drop in. Alright, I need a gun. I will not be picky on the matter, just one that preferably fires. No. We are down. Oh! The game is over. Well, 15 for our first run? I don't think that's so bad. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you later. This has been the Winesinator.